Greetings to you all. I would love to greet the authority of Sokoto Health Center. We are HMD charity. We are partnering with Wheels to Heal to donate these medical materials to Sokoto Hospital. Among the materials, we have sanitary pads for women. We do have a rollator also for disabled people who are not able to walk properly, so they can help them, assist them in terms of walking. That is this one. That is the rollator to ease mobility. We are donating this to Sokoto Hospital, and thank you so much for receiving it.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Mbe HMD mbe al kontonna al nal nanyol be mbe loptano mo be kontonna from the OIC up to the last person. Jata kende ya mo kilimbuka keno. Fonsi mbulo di nyola nga akuonyin kele. Ala yin donation obi nat nanjang. Moli nyakota do yata la barintel fe sembalo. So ntel simin keno kal tentu kal jay. Jata kende ya momo e few fenke je ala do nebe jola because ika fenne bondi mokan mi yalon ko dinule mati o mi yalon ka be jakalo to yalo jakalo nyin sono yandai so atal joten tel bul ala do ne sal jono mu kontanta bake anu mba futa le fanal yanati dalilo minna mba mek so dar ngal news o dalilo kan so ala do ne sal jono ka fo ala ma tala nyato abada fanko min fana mbala ala kana nasindi alama ala yali jo al nyimma nata kayra kono alama al nyimma murula kayra kono mbal tentu la mbal jayla ala baraka ba.
Thank you so much.
Good morning all. On behalf of the staff of Sokoto Health Center and the senior management team, we thank you for coming to Sokoto to give this donation to us as a health facility. We appreciate your effort, because this donated item, it will go a long way in serving the patients we see in our health facility. So we appreciate this, and then on behalf of the staff once again, we say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Allah